welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm just going to show you how I blow out my hair and also do big heatless curls on my hair. I do it in the form of Bantu knots, and I know people are kind of reluctant to try Bantu knots because a lot of people say they don't work, but I can guarantee that it will work if you follow this tutorial. I've been doing this since I was in high school and it came out great ever since. The shirt that I'm wearing right now was made by my good friend Shea. She has a website called nolabelshair.com. She has a bunch of apparel and different types of motivational t-shirts, so if you guys can go show some love, it will mean the world to me and to her as well. And without further ado, let's get into the video. So first, I'm just splitting my hair up into 4 to 6 sections. Playing this back, I realized I did this really weird, so you guys can definitely do it the way that you'd want to. Next, I'm going in with my Sleek Me Blowout Lotion by Lotta Body. This is my all-time favorite flat iron lotion, guys, because it provides a lot of slip while you're detangling, and you can wash your hair and there'd be like 0 damage afterwards. Next, I'm going in with my second favorite. This is the Garnier Straightening Mist. I also like to add this in just for extra protection, and this leaves my hair feeling really silky and smells really nice. And I'm just going to start the blowout process. I'm blowing from root to tip, and I'm just aiming my blow dryer downwards. And when I'm done with the section, I just take it and twist it up and put it away to the side. And then I just continue the process to the rest of my hair. One major tip I have for you guys is to really detangle your hair before you put the blow dryer on it, just to make sure that there's no snags and just to keep your hair nice and healthy. Because if you don't detangle it before you blow dry, there'll be a lot of knots and breakage, and you just don't want that. Now that my hair is all blown out, I just like to take a section and apply some Baobab oil. I like to use this oil because it adds a lot of shine to my hair without weighing it down. And then I like to take some Curls Unleashed leave-in conditioning cream, and I just use this for hold for my Bantu knots rather than gel. And to start off, I'm just taking some hair and I'm wrapping it around in a twist. And then I take it to the root and just wrap the hair around itself over and over to create a Bantu knot. And then I take a bobby pin to secure it, and that's it, guys. It's that easy. So now that my Bantu knots are all done, what I like to do next is just take some gel or edge control and lay my edges down. And then I take some hairspray and just really spray down my knots to make sure that they don't come apart through the night. And then I like to take either a satin bonnet or silk headscarf and just tie my knots down so once again they don't come apart. And then I wait 5 to 8 hours or just go to sleep. So the following day, right before an event, I'm just going to unwrap my headscarf and reveal my Bantu knots. You can see that they're still really shiny and moisturized looking. Then I take the same oil that we used before and I'm doing about 2 drops. And I'm just unraveling them gently. That's the key, guys. Unravel them gently so that you can avoid causing frizziness. But you can see that they're really moisturized and extremely silky looking. And this is my tried and true Bantu knot out. I used to do it before and they would never come out right, but I believe that this is the best way to do them. But once again, I'm just taking out the knots and I'm separating the curls along to their natural curl pattern. So now after the takeout process, this is the finished look. You are left with big, beautiful, bouncy curls, and this is honestly such an amazing style, guys, because depending on how you take care of it, it can last from a couple of days to an entire week. Throughout the week, sometimes I like doing updos, or I like doing half up, half down styles. Or I just take a couple bobby pins and just get my hair out of my face and pin it to the side. And that is the whole tutorial, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you can do this look and be successful, and tag me on Instagram if you decide to recreate. And I will see you in my next video.